I'm ashamed that Stephen Miller went to Samuel High. That's my alma mater. Anyway, I guess I have social justice DNA because I think it's just a part of me to fight for what's right, to speak up when there's injustices, to talk about what is but shouldn't be, and to take it to the level that it needs to go to. So, you know, with this fight with First Baptist Church, you know, there's a social justice piece involved in this. One, I'm disappointed in Pastor Allen because I think he's a sellout. He sold out the community, and he knew exactly what he was doing. He manipulated his own membership by expressing to them a need that wasn't as severe as he presented it at the time. And I'm getting this from the court records that I read. And he never came to the community at large. And I say that because Reverend Pastor Allen and I were at community meetings in the past together. So he knew who the community leadership is. He knew me. He knew Laddie Williams. He knew Jatan Valentine. He knew all of these people who, if he had just called and said, First Baptist Church needs some help to maintain the church, we would have rallied to help do that. He never asked. He didn't want to ask. He wanted to achieve his purpose, which was to sell the church, sell out the church, and go build his kingdom somewhere else so that he could be the pastor that he really wanted to be here, but he could not be. That's my opinion. The fact that the church was sold to someone who wants to adapt its use and make it part of his residence is sacrilegious. I mean, it just boggles my mind that someone could even conceive of that. I mean, it's like, it boggles my mind. So, if that is a way of compromising or thinking that let us offer this bit right here and maybe that will satisfy this group of people that are protesting, you know, let me give them something that we think is a great idea. If we just made the church sanctuary our living room, or if we kept the church part of the structure, it doesn't really change the footprint if it's part of our residence. You miss the whole point of the spirituality. You miss the whole religious purpose. You miss the whole heart of the people in the outcry as to why they want to save the church. You miss that. And I blame Pastor Allen for that. More so than the people who bought the church. I blame Pastor Allen for that.